One cup rice flour. 1/4 cup semolina. 1/2 cup sugar. 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Mix well. One 1/4 cup hot milk. 1 egg white. Add milk as per required. Make a soft dough. Rest for 20 minutes. Sesame seeds. Coat in sesame seeds. Low hot oil. Fry on low to medium flame until golden brown.